Hiya. So I've had some really lovely feedback. Thank you. And there are some of you who want to go a little bit deeper. So I will now have three categories of meditations. So there'll be the 5-minute ones, which are quick and easy and don't take a lot of effort. There'll be the intermediate ones, which are between, 10 to 15 minutes. And then there will be the ones called deep. Now, these will be the meditations where there'll be prompts rather than really heavy guiding. So there'll be lots more silence. So the silences will be longer. So you will need to be more active. You will need to be able to stay more focused. So if you've just started, please try the 5-minute ones. You could try the intermediate ones too, because they're quite well guided. But the deep ones are for those of you who already have a practice of sitting quietly and being able to keep your mind on an anchor, basically. And yeah, that's it. So there's 3 categories and everybody's welcome. Just take it easy and just try and do something regular, because remember, consistency builds that inner peace and confidence in our ability to keep going and keep doing it. Take care. Bye-bye.